Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I am so very sorry for how long I've taken, whichever word, to record another video. It's been about a month, and I'm going to tell you why today. So it all started back about a month and a half ago, where I was talking about being an ambassador for another company. And my brother was like, Haley, why don't you just make your own stuff? And I was like, never thought of it. So I started researching. I figured out what product I wanted to do. And then I started researching about it. So after doing a lot of research, I found out that if you get a vendor to do it, 9 times out of 10, it's a lot more. And then one of the girls that I follow on Instagram, I asked her, at the beginning, I asked a couple of people how to start your business. And the first 2 people I asked, well, the first person I asked, they didn't respond. The second person I asked, she basically just told me do a lot of research. I was like, okay. So the third person I asked, her name is Jellywink on YouTube. It's Jellywink Cosmetics, and she has her own cosmetics line. Thank you so much to Jellywink, because I was so lost at the beginning. So thank you very much. Again, thank you. So after a while, I did my research and I found a company where you can order it from. And I was like, cool. Cheaper, but cool. So I'm going to show you all my inventory and everything that I've been buying lately. And I just ordered some more things today, which is, I'll tell you that in a minute. Okay. So, first and foremost, I was in Walmart. And when I went to Walmart, I was looking for specific bags. So I go in Walmart. And when I get the bags, I'm thinking, okay, they're big enough. No. So I get this bag right here. These are smaller, but these are for my packaging. And I'm going to put like confetti and like stuff like in here for my packaging wise. And I'll show you a sample of that in a minute too. Okay, so my other bags are these. I bought 100 of them from Amazon. And these are a lot bigger. So I can fit a lot more of my items in these bags. So those are my 2 size bags, and they are gold. So again, Amazon, and the smaller ones came from Walmart in the waiting aisle. So I bought 2 different kinds of stickers. I'll show you one sticker, well, my logo stickers. Says Haley Danielle Cosmetics. There you go. So I bought those. I got 10 of those for $1 from Sticker Meal. And they had like a little sale going on. I found out on like Instagram. So they sent me this little mule. Then they sent me, I think this is a coaster. Don't really know what it is. And then they sent me this right here as well with my package. But they ended up sending me more. They sent me more than 10. They sent me at least like 13 or like 15 of them. I really didn't count them, but they sent me extras. So since I got extras, I was like, cool. So then I have my business cards. I am so in love with them. They are super cute. So I got 500 of my cards from Vistaprint. And they were only $10. Vistaprint had a sale going on as well. 500 should last me a minute. So I went ahead and got 500. Me and my mom decided on that number. Me and my mom have decided on a lot of things, actually. I've not been doing this on my own. I've been having like a couple of friends help me and everything. So this is my business card. large. So yeah, I got 500 of those. And I got other stickers. And since these stickers were going to be too big to put on my product like I wanted it to, so I got just the writing, and they're just like this. This is Haley Danielle Cosmetics. So most likely I will be getting some more from Sticker Mule. But these stickers, this says Haley Danielle Cosmetics with no lips in the back, gold lips in the background, came from Vistaprint, and so did my cards. And here's my, I got some purple confetti because I'm going to do purple and gold. So I got purple confetti. And here's my gold. This isn't really confetti, but it's like, since this one's already open, by the way. So I got these, but they're like little glitter pieces. So I thought they were super cute. Then I got my Dymo label maker, which really came in handy today. Came in handy a lot. Okay, so now the time you've been waiting for, my products. Oh, well, let me show you packaging first off. I'm selling them this color right here. This is champagne. Oh, well, let me turn it over. This is champagne. One of my best friends named it. My best friend Portia named it. And then this one is called Addictive. I don't have a label on this one, but this one's called Addictive. And it is silver. Then I have my Icicle Bliss. Then I have my Very Berry. The camera would focus. Okay, I guess it's not. Then I have one more color. Oh, Strawberry Fizz. So those are my 5 colors for now. I have ordered another glitter, and I will be dropping that color soon on the next video that I do about my glosses. And I'm going to do a close-up video of all of my glosses so you guys can see all of them. And I'm thinking about doing like a series of like new colors and new packaging and like new cards, like all of that type of stuff, so you guys can stay on top with me and see everything that I do with this business thing, because it's something new to me and everybody knows that. So you like have to get like the right consistency. You have to figure out who likes what and all of that. So now I just have to get a website. And when I've been looking on different places and for websites, so that's going to be a while before I get a website, but not really like a long while, but it will be a while. I'm not trying to rush it to get a website because there's more things I have to learn how to do when I get a website. And I want to be very comfortable when I do get a website with how it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, like this video and subscribe down below and make sure you ring that bell. See you guys next video.